Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a date postcard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the prints button next to the video section, and in the cards and invitates section you can find the save the date postcard option and step on it. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures and more to your projects, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio file to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, tables, frames, grids and more. If you go to the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just go to the design section and tap to the template style button and done. If you want to change the background color of your project, just go to the square icon next to the design section, and you can edit the background color. Just select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move this and done. If you want to change the picture on the postcard, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it the frame and done. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, write your text, and you can edit your text. Click to the arrow next to the Brittany button, and here you can find different text styles and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.